I want to start with those that don't own a business currently. For instance, I have a relative that's constantly asking me, what kind of business, what type of business should I own? I want to be a business owner. The number one answer that I would give him is your own business. So, for instance, no partnerships, nothing that no one else has started. I do love franchises. Franchises are great for specific types of people because a lot of them already have processes built out. They're proven concepts. But let me heed the warning here that a lot of franchises do not have proven concepts or processes or good processes or supportive processes. So the best business to own is your own. But I want to go another step. So this relative that I have, he's like, well, I could do this and I could do that and I could do that. And knowing this relative, I know he hates those things. He hears the money ringing. He hears that people are crushing it revenue wise in those industries. And an example for me is I do not like sushi. I know there are people that love it, and that's fine. I'm glad there's people like that. I personally don't like sushi. I don't like the smell of it. Definitely don't like the feel, the texture of it in my mouth, going down my throat, all that good stuff. I just don't like it. But if sushi was $1 billion industry, which it might be, that doesn't mean, having been an entrepreneur for over 20 years, I realized that getting into the sushi industry, I would hate it. I wouldn't be motivated. I wouldn't be passionate. I wouldn't want to go into work one more day. I wouldn't want to stay there when times are tough, through the trials and the tribulations, the ups and downs, the cycle of good times and bad times, unless I'm passionate about it. So I always tell people that are considering starting a business, A, own your own first. See what it's all about. Then secondly, discover or find that thing that you love, that thing that's going to make you come to the office every single day, the thing that's going to keep you at night, not because you're stressed out or worried, but because you're passionate to get up and help more people with what you have to offer. So discover those two things, and that should be two great steps to get you on your way to owning your own business. For more small business tips, tricks, and resources, go to businessownershipsimplified.com.